Do you know you can use your mobile data to enter social media and do anything you want while your flight mode is turned on? Yes, you can turn on your flight mode and you can still use your data. Yes, so follow this process and you can do it. Like those of you that doesn't want, maybe you are in somewhere you don't want somebody to call you or something like that, you can turn on your flight mode and you can still use your data to enter online and do anything freely. No stress. So stay tuned and I will show you how to do it. Yes. So guys, all you have to do is enter your Play Store, yeah, or Google Play Store. Then you type Force Lights 4G stroke 5G only. Yeah. Then you got to see different options, but this is the right one. Yeah. As you can see here, look carefully. This is the right app. So you download it, you install it. Then when you are done with that, it will ask you to accept some terms and conditions, normal stuff. Yeah, then you allow the location and all that. So as you can see, my phone is on flight mode. So after downloading and accepting and setting everything, yeah, it automatically appear for you to allow everything. So when you're done with that, then you put it on this method 3. Yeah, method 1 is not available in all phones, so method 3 and method 2 are the perfect for different phones. So when you're done with that, you can browse, enter anywhere, use your network, your data without any disturbance. Yes, as you can see, my phone is on flight mode and I will browse on Google right now to prove that this particular one is working perfectly. So I'm going to browse on Google right now. So I'm asking Google 1 or 2 questions. Let's just pick random question. What's happened to Bybit recently? Yeah, let's confirm something right now. Then search. As you can see guys, this is amazing. Yeah, calls will not be interrupting your browsing, your any social media stuff. So your phone can be on flight mode and you can be using your data and be browsing and doing anything you want. As you can see here, it's working. Let's go behind 1 point. So guys, if you find this video interesting, just give me a follow this page and like, drop a comment so that more updates will be coming out. If you don't show any concern, so it means you are not ready for new updates. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe. But you people you are seeing, they are warning me, try and be liking. You can't just be watch and scroll. Yeah, you will watch and you will scroll. Why? Just like or even comment so that more updates will be coming.